Okay, hello guys. This is an Infinix phone, and this came one of my customers bought it to replace the charging port. The current charging port is not working properly. It's like guys, what I'm talking about. So here, I want to replace the charging port. First, let me unscrew the screwdrivers, the nuts. Remove them fast. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I'm not that wrong in mobile repairing. I'm just new here and I want to know more about electronics. So if there's any helpers who can help me, I will be really appreciate for that. So here I am. This is Zambia. Zambia. See in Copper Belt, Benga. Those who know me, they might know, but I'm not here yet. I'm trying to be familiar here, working through all out, working hard to become the best. This is what this is my job. I feel like this is the job. Earnings is where I can earn and feed my family. So I'm working so hard so that I can improve my skill more and more. I don't have any institute where I can learn, but I'm trying to get more information on these devices, on all mobiles, because I want to be the best and I will become one. I'm very sure about that. So I'm inspecting the charging port now. Yeah, the inside of the charging port is like damaged, but it looks like it's good, but it's damaged. Don't know what they did to it. So only like let's do whatever, replacing and putting a new one. Yeah, a new pot. Okay, let me add the paste first. The paste is very best, guys. A good thing to add paste first, cause helps the soda to flow very smooth and cool. Yeah, the paste helps, guys. Okay, let me put it in my stand. I made my own PCB holder, guys. I made it with my own hands, man. Because I don't have any money like to buy a PCB holder, but I'm trying to raise some money so I can buy more tools. Because here in Zambia, I don't have many sources to buy like tools or what. The only fews that are coming in as we go and buy somewhere else, like in Dollar, Kitwe, yeah. But guys, I'm trying to be like creative, making my own tools. Look, and I made my own tweezers, which I can use to hold some hot stuff. These tweezers, yeah. Okay, let me reheat oil it so I can remove it and place a new pot. Let me heat it. Don't have to hurry, have to be patient, because if you hurry, these phones are so sensitive, man. You can damage something else. So patience is the key to success. That's how they say, but I know it's true. Yeah, it does pretty much. Okay, let's wait. Let me add some some wire, so that it can flow smoothly. Yeah, don't want to hurry. Don't like hurry. Yeah. Now let's heat it, the flow it, that can be moved perfectly. Yeah. Because if you add some new soda, it doesn't take too long to melt the soda. Yeah, the new soda melts very easy. See how it's come off? Yeah, because I added new one. Okay, let's inspect it. Okay. Okay, we need to clean the pads. Yeah, make sure you clean them. You add the new soda. Yeah, clean them because the old soda is not good. You have to add new soda. If you have soda weak, for me, I don't have that soda weak. It's soda lean weak, they say. Don't have it. So actually, just go with my techniques. Yeah, my skills. Just adding new soda. Okay, new soda. Why? Yeah. I wish I'm improving because tomorrow I'm having like phone MTN MTN Alola. These which the MTN is like how would I say produced. I don't know if they make them or whatever. Yeah, fell inside water because I've noticed many MTNs Alola 4G. That's the 4G phones, smartphones. Yeah, those MTNs. If they get contact with water, the backlights, yeah, can the graphics be okay, but the backlights, they like they get damaged. I say backlights get damaged all the time when it's fair in water. It's backlights. Fair in water, it's backlights. So tomorrow I'll be trying to repair it, to fix that phone because yeah, those are really tough. Repairing a backlight, those are really tough because I checked the LCD, it's okay. Those backlights, the legs are okay, but I need to go deeper, changing those components. Yeah. So just add soda to the pins of the charging port so that it can fit perfectly. Yeah, that's how it is. That is my technique, guys. Yeah, I've seen a lot of people doing it, a lot of technicians doing it. Yeah, and me, for me, I go do it. Okay, I'll be done. Just a minute, I'll be done. Yeah, I'll be done. I'll be done. Just a sec. Done. Okay, let me first hit it because I don't have soda weak, so just put it back and hit it with hot air, and then boom, it goes back where it came from. So that's the soda, it will be soda in yeah, watch as I do it. These are my favorite guys sometimes. They're really hard to use, but I'm getting used to them, as you can see. Done, guys, I'm done. Just have to soda it using soda so that the pins can get touched perfectly. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm done. 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 I'm done.
I don't know what to say, man. I'm so worried. But I'm gonna tell y'all, you guys are amazing dancers, man. I enjoyed myself. But I'm gonna have to get video games. You, 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 like the ladies up there. Come on, come on. There's one that I had all the super, right? I had dancing. So, music, 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 music.
Nataka sanga. Kaya waje kuna kuita. Shinga kukachili hapa. Saka muna.
Aku.
Naka.
Ada macam pes.
Saka so nasi boleh.
Boleh macam pes ni. Pes ni nak apa kita bang?
Betul.
Kau sama nak screennya ITO.
Itu so.
18. Kalau nak sekali itu.
18.
Nangai dah semua semua.
Okey okey.